Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Nissan Altima headlight assembly. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet with 10mm and 12mm sockets and a trim removal tool. Make sure you have the correct replacement headlight assembly for your specific vehicle model. Always work on a level surface and engage the parking brake to ensure your safety throughout the process. Disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting any electrical work. Next, we'll begin by carefully removing the front bumper cover. Start by taking out all the plastic clips and screws that secure the top edge of the bumper. Then, move to the wheel wells and remove the screws holding the bumper in place on each side. Gently pull the bumper cover away from the fender, releasing the clips that hold it. This step requires patience to avoid damaging the paint or plastic components. With the bumper cover partially removed, you can now access the headlight assembly. Locate and unscrew the 3 or 4 bolts that secure the headlight unit to the vehicle's frame. Once the bolts are out, carefully disconnect all the electrical connectors from the back of the old headlight. Gently slide the entire old headlight assembly out of its mounting location, being mindful of any remaining wires or clips. Now it's time to install your new headlight assembly. Carefully slide the new unit into position, ensuring it aligns correctly with the mounting points. Reconnect all the electrical harnesses to the new headlight, making sure each connection is secure. Fasten all the mounting bolts you removed earlier, tightening them appropriately. Reinstall the bumper cover, reconnect the battery, and test your new headlights. For an even easier clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.